This is the Bldg elevator here at the Rosen Inn in Orlando. This is also a crappy mod, probably northern on the inside, like with the northern style indicator. But regular TK MAD mod on it, the outside. Also a former Dover. Weird it doesn't make noise. Keep in mind, these aren't really that old. That chime does work, though. Okay. Up to 6. One thing that's strange is these actually do have the buzz, yet this mod happened after 2012. Actually, 2012 was when the mod happened, I believe. Let's ring it. Anyways, let's go to 1. Panel isn't as loose as in some of the other ones, but it doesn't feel the greatest. The mod's okay, it's kinda unique, but it feels kinda cheap at the same time. Here on 1. Hello, sir. That's it.